The following two exercises are examples of open kinetic chain strengthening for the quadricep muscle with the knee in a flexed position. This allows for isolation of the muscle group with exercise. The knee is flexed anywhere between 45 degrees of knee bend and 90 degrees of knee bend, based on the most comfortable position for the patient. The level 1 exercise is an isometric performed with the knee in a bent position. The patient sits on a chair or a table with a sturdy belt fixed across the lower leg. The angle of knee flexion is determined based on what is the most comfortable for the patient, again anywhere between a 45 and a 90-degree angle of bend. When the contraction from the Kneehab device comes on, the patient presses out into the strap at an intensity that is well tolerated by the knee joint. When the contraction releases, the patient relaxes and lets the leg hang freely. This on-off cycle is continued per the timing of the device. The level 2 exercise is performed again with the knee in a bent position. This time the patient fixes an elastic band around the bottom of the lower leg to apply resistance. For this exercise, the knee will move through a small arc of motion. So when the contraction of the device comes on, the patient extends the knee partially, holding at that partial range, then releasing back to the start position when the contraction comes off. The knee is never fully extended with this exercise. The knee only moves through about a 30-degree arc of motion. The start and stop points for the arc of motion may be modified to achieve maximal comfort for the patient's knee.